My name is Magenta. I am an artist and a multimedia designer. I work with experimentation with new materials, bioplastics, biotextiles, 3D printing and robotics. I have made wearable art pieces at the intersection of art and science. I also work on audiovisual and noise pieces with open source and live code, as well as DIY instruments, among other things. In the conceptual part 1 work from critical theory, deconstruction and chaos theory, of course the posthumanist theories that have been reviewed here, are the art of my reflection. Thus, my work focuses on reflection and exploration in the field of speculative design. On this platform I have started working on my project ODIOICA2. Transhumanism as an involution, which is in the following link. Due to the complexity involved in working with various disciplines, I have had to divide my project into several stages, which requires hard work. Thus, in this presentation I am going to present the initial phase of the second stage of my project that I have titled ODIOICA 2.0, Speculative Design of a Posthuman. A reflection on agency and artificial intelligence. In this project I am gonna explore and reflect on agency-AI relationship focused on a review of the agency notion from philosophy, cognitive sciences and artificial intelligence. On the notion of agency as the autonomy of the subject to make their own decisions. We have two different views, agents as actors, the originators of purposeful deliberate action, and agents as intentional systems, systems to which we attribute mental states such as beliefs and desires. From this perspective, the AI subject enhancement could be seen as part of that structure that limits, molds, the capacity of a subject to take decision. In the field of sociology, agency is the ability of an agent to act in the world. In philosophy, agency is considered to belong to an agent even if that agent represents a fictional character or some other non-existent entity. In that sense, in the field of speculative design, which is what we will talk about here, it seems pertinent to address the notion of agency from the field of philosophy. Sense of agency, the subjective experience that agents have of their own actions and their consequences asterisk. The sense of agency is traditionally defined as the experience of controlling one's actions and, through them, events in the external world. A functional sense of agency allows individuals to distinguish events that they have caused from those for which they are not responsible, but which, for example, were caused by chance by other agents. Materials, form, experimentation with biomaterials, skin, 3D print robotic arm. Method, artificial intelligence, machine learning.
Miro board deep object, agency in the computational turn. Here is a panoramic view of my project. I started with some questions about what it is to be a posthuman. From there, design a possible methodology to address the project. In the research process I divided it into a conceptual part, a formal part, a part about the materials, and another about the artistic piece to be exhibited. In this process, there is a collection of data with which a piece can be worked on. In this case, a piece based on a non-binary biological machine learning organism. Speculating about this organism, let us think that it has evolutionary characteristics given by environmental conditions due to their condition as a subject, subjective and sense of agency, and by random mutations.
In the second phase, ODIOICA 2.0, Speculative Design of a Posthuman. A reflection on agency and artificial intelligence. I am going to work on the design of a posthuman, with a robotic arm, that has abilities augmented by machine learning, artificial intelligence, and begin to speculate on what its interspecies communication capabilities in between possible posthumans would be. Speculate on a possible morphogenesis controlled by programming and speculate on issues of gender, a possible organism that could mutate from male to female, or be sexless depending on environmental conditions.